Introducing our brand new balayage color line, available in our Hidden Crown Layers 18-inch and 22-inch. They came out so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and give you some details on them, so let's get started. All right, you guys, so here they are. We have 5 beautiful balayage colors. Here is B268. We have B3882. We also have our B3622. And we have our B6613. And last but not least, our B8-60. And there's our 5 beautiful colors. They are 5 of our most popular sold colors, and the great thing about these is that they're not just going to be a color match just to that color number at the ends of the hair. If you match color number 60-8, you can also wear the B860. All right, you guys, so there it is. We are so excited to finally be launching our balayage color line, and we hope that you are just as excited. We know so many of you have requested this line, and we've worked so hard on it, and we are so proud of how beautiful they came out. We will be offering tons of more details and info on our website, and of course, there's gonna be more videos to come.